Hey guys, what's happening? How to change Discord mobile ringtone. So first of all, go ahead and open it up. Alright. And then what you're gonna do, click on you at the bottom. Alright. That depends if you're using Android or iPhone. So if you're using iPhone, go ahead and click the settings gear at the top right. Scroll a little bit down to find the notifications. Go ahead and click it. And you're gonna see the system notifications. You can get notifications outside of Discord, which will take you to the settings, right? And you can see right here in the notifications that I cannot change the I cannot change to a different I could change the I cannot change the different ringtone basically, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the whole system notifications, right? If I'm using iPhone, but if you're using Android, probably you'll be able to change the notifications for that specific app. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead to the notifications, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see not the notifications, the sounds and haptics. And you're gonna be able to see ringtone, text tone, and default alerts. You're gonna go ahead to the default alerts and select the one that you want for not only your Discord but all apps. Okay, so basically you can go ahead to the sound and haptics, and you're gonna see new mail or default alert, or text tone, or new voicemail, and all that stuff, and change it accordingly. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.